Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talking Sense, Speak Easy. Friends, today I am going to share with you some basic rules, three basic rules to develop our communication skill in English. These rules are very important and very easy. Just follow these rules and practice continuously for a month. Never skip a day. Just practice for a month and you can feel the change, the difference of a skill of speaking English. Okay, I'm sure you can do it. So first, see the rules. First rule is reading. Reading means you can read stories, different books, and by reading you can improve your vocabulary, grammars, sentence structures, and by reading you can develop your word power. So it will be helpful in your communication. Okay, then the second one, listening. Listening means something you listen, you can understand and you can remember it easily. So, listening is one of the most important thing to learn a language. So, listening is to understand pronunciation and how words and sentences are used in our daily conversation. Okay, and what to listen? We have to listen to podcasts, stories, songs, all these things you can listen, and you will find all these things from different sources. Like today, just to as you know, internet. We all find all these things from internet. Okay, so the second one is listening. Then the third one is speaking. How to speak? So, first start talking or first start speaking with yourself. No need to speak with others or with your friends or different persons. Just start talking with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk with yourself. Just choose a topic like your daily life, like your family, like any kind of festivals, and then start talking with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and then start talking. And you can do, or you can record your voice. By doing it, you can rectify the errors. If you have any error, then you can rectify it. So just start talking in front of a mirror and you can record your voice, and it will help you to build your confidence and your fluency. So my advice is you have to follow these three process. First reading, listening and speaking. By these three things you can develop your communication skill easily, and do it for a month, not for a day or for 5 days or 10 days. Just do it for a month and never skip a single day. Just do practice, because practice makes a person perfect. Okay, so I hope you understand what we learned today. Next time I'll come with another English learning class. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.